For those interested in a large SUV from Ford, the 2025 Excursion is the brand's current offering. The Excursion provides ample passenger and cargo space, robust towing capabilities, and a range of modern features. It is available in various trims, including the off-road-oriented Timberline and the luxurious Platinum Edition. The 2025 Ford Excursion makes a bold statement with its redesigned exterior. The front fascia features a massive chrome grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, exuding both strength and sophistication. A robust bumper with integrated fog lights and a skid plate enhances its rugged appeal. The new Excursion would likely feature robust engine choices similar to those in Ford's Super Duty lineup. 6.8-liter V8, gasoline likely producing around 405 horsepower and around 445 pound-foot of torque, aimed at buyers needing a balance of power and efficiency. 7.3-liter V8, gasoline known as Ford's Godzilla engine, this option could offer around 430 horsepower and 475 pound-foot of torque, ideal for towing heavy loads. 6.7-liter Powerstroke V8, diesel expected to be the top option. This turbocharged diesel engine could offer upwards of 475 horsepower and 1,058 pound-foot of torque, suitable for extreme towing and long hauls. The interior of the 2025 Excursion would cater to comfort and technology. Expect a 12-inch or larger infotainment touchscreen with SYNC4, Ford's latest infotainment system, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice controls. Advanced safety features, likely to include Ford Co-Pilot 360 technology, offering pre-collision assist, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Premium comfort options. For upper trims, Ford might offer leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and dual-zone or tri-zone climate control to enhance passenger comfort. Redesigned LED taillights enhance the rear look and improve visibility for other drivers. A split tailgate provides easy access to cargo, adding convenience for loading and unloading. Towing power would be a highlight of the Excursion, likely offering 10,000 to 12,000 pounds of towing capacity with the gasoline engines and potentially more with the diesel engine.